This video tutorial will show you how to set up the Eurotherm iTools software to communicate via Ethernet Modbus TCP IP protocol. First, we must begin by clicking on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your desktop. Navigate to the Settings, Control Panel, and click on this icon. Navigate to the iTools icon and double-click. This will bring up the Registry Settings iTools configuration window. Navigate to the TCP IP tab and single-click on this tab. This will bring you to the Configure TCP IP ports for Modbus over Ethernet section. Click on the Add button at the bottom left side of this window. This will bring you to a new window called New TCP IP port. Fill in the name. For this example, we'll use Furnace 1. Ensure that the enabled box is checked to the right of the name field. Ensure that the connection type is set at Modbus TCP and the timeout is set at 1500 milliseconds. Click on the Add button at the bottom left side of this window. This will bring up a new window called Edit Host. Fill in the host name/address field. For this example, we'll use 192.168.1.60. Ensure that the port field is set at 502 and the block read field is set at 125 and the ping host before connecting box is checked off. Click on the OK button in the new TCP IP window. Click on the Apply button in the Registry Settings window. Click on the OK button. Now iTools is set up to communicate via Ethernet Modbus TCP IP protocol.